Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make tandoori chicken without using oven. So let me teach you how to do it. Plain yogurt, garam masala, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, white pepper, red coloring. Mix all together. Add a little bit of water. Mix all together. Once done mix, add on the chicken. Mix the chicken with the ingredients. Add on ginger and garlic paste, onion blend paste. Mix together. Once mixed, marinate the chicken for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now we're going to grill the chicken in a cooking pan. Add on a little bit of butter, olive oil, add on the chicken. Let the chicken fry first. Okay, turn around. Make sure both sides cooked. Now the tandoori chicken is already cooked well. Then we're gonna put aside. Okay, the tandoori chicken is cooked, fried, and now we're going to do some magic. So add on charcoal. We're going to burn the charcoal first inside here, so that the tandoori chicken will be more flavorful. So okay, add on the charcoal, a little bit oil, and cover the chicken for 2 minutes. Okay, remove in 2 minutes time. Now we will have the flavorful chicken tandoori. So now we're gonna serve the tandoori. So now I'm gonna make the sauce for the tandoori. Add on mint leaf, coriander, green capsicum, black pepper. I'm using black pepper powder, plain yogurt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, and we're going to blend the item together. Okay, once the sauce done, blend. Add on a little bit of yogurt, add on lime juice, and mix together. Tandoori sauce is ready to serve with the chicken. Serve with the tandoori sauce, onion, lemon, and there you go. Tandoori chicken is ready to serve.